Visuals, modern electric cars driving, Tesla, BYD, Mercedes EQ, Hyundai Ioniq. Animation showing a large battery pack under the vehicle. Voiceover. When people buy an electric vehicle, they often hear one thing. You don't need maintenance, no engine oil, no oil filter, no spark plugs, just charge it and drive. But that is not the complete truth. Electric vehicles require maintenance too, but it is different from traditional gasoline and diesel cars. The most important part of an EV is not the motor, it is the battery. The battery is the heart of the vehicle and the most expensive component. Scene 2, 045 to 140. The battery is the heart of an electric vehicle. Visuals, EV battery pack being removed. Close-up of battery cells. Battery Management System, BMS computer. Voiceover. An electric vehicle battery is not just one single unit. Inside the battery pack, thousands of individual cells work together. A smart system called the Battery Management System, or BMS, constantly monitors battery temperature, charging levels, cell balance, battery performance. Any problem with the battery can affect driving range, charging speed, and overall vehicle performance. Scene 3, 140 to 240. Battery health check visuals. Technician connecting a diagnostic scanner. Screen showing battery health percentage. Voiceover. The first and most important EV service is a battery health check. Technicians inspect battery condition, cell performance, charging capability, electronic error codes. Regular battery checks help detect problems before they become expensive repairs. A battery inspection is recommended every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, or once a year. Scene 4, 240 to 340. Battery cooling system visuals. 3D animation showing coolant flowing around battery cells. Thermal image showing battery temperature. Voiceover. Many electric car owners don't know that batteries need a cooling system. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of battery life. High temperatures can cause reduced driving range, lower efficiency, faster battery degradation. The cooling system keeps the battery operating at the correct temperature. The coolant level should be checked regularly and replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendation. In many vehicles, coolant replacement is usually between 80,000 and 150,000 kilometers. Scene 5, 340 to 430. Electric vehicle gear reduction oil visuals. Electric motor animation. Reduction gearbox components. Voice-over. Electric cars do not have traditional transmissions like gasoline vehicles. However, many EVs use a reduction gearbox that contains special oil. This oil helps protect internal gears and ensures smooth operation. Depending on the manufacturer, this service may be required around 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Scene 6, 430 to 520. Cabin filter and brake maintenance visuals. Dirty cabin air filter compared with a new one. EV braking system animation. Voiceover. Electric vehicles do not need an engine oil filter, but they still need a cabin air filter. This filter protects passengers from dust, pollution, unwanted particles. Electric vehicles also use regenerative braking, which reduces brake wear. However, the brake system still needs inspection. Brake fluid is usually replaced every 2 to 3 years. Scene 7, 520 to 620. Tires and suspension maintenance visuals. EV tires, electric car on a workshop lift. Voiceover. Electric vehicles are usually heavier than traditional cars because of their large battery packs. They also produce instant torque, which puts extra stress on tires. Regular maintenance includes checking tire pressure, rotating tires, wheel alignment, suspension inspection. Tire rotation is recommended every 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers. Scene 8, 620 to 720. Software updates and computer systems visuals. Vehicle computer system. Software update animation. Voiceover. An electric vehicle is not only a mechanical machine, it is also a powerful computer on wheels. Software updates can improve battery management, charging performance, energy efficiency, vehicle reliability. Never ignore software updates from the manufacturer. Scene 9, 720 to 840. How to extend your EV battery life visuals. Home charging. Battery percentage from 20% to 80%. Voiceover. Simple habits can help your battery last longer. Avoid keeping the battery at 0% for long periods. Avoid leaving the vehicle unused with a very low battery. Do not rely only on fast charging when it is unnecessary. Protect the vehicle from extreme heat. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule. These simple steps can protect your battery for many years. Final scene, 8:40 to 9:30. Visuals, modern electric vehicle, happy owner, battery technology animation. Voiceover. Electric vehicles may require less maintenance than traditional cars, but they are not maintenance-free. The battery is the heart of your electric vehicle. Taking care of it means longer battery life, better driving range, higher vehicle value. Remember, the vehicle you take care of today can save you thousands of dollars tomorrow. Subscribe to Autoverse AI for more automotive knowledge, technology, and maintenance tips.